there two boxes? Oh, sweet. I was worried because I ordered them before. Yep. There you go, boss. Thank you guys very much. Do you guys want water or anything? Do you have water? Oh, we got a cooler full. Sure? Yep, right. We're good, buddy. Yeah, I appreciate it, though. Have a good one. You too. As you can see, my wheels came in. Did not expect that. I was expecting to do my springs today, but we might be doing this and the springs in the same video. Matt, open one. That's fucking hot.
Open. How deep can I go?
If you scratch my wheels, you die. If you scratch my wheels, I get the Polaris. Okay. Damn, boy.
Here, honey. Yeah. You can wear this for bedtime. Scratched.
Where?
Them's are cute.
No, they're not. They almost look white.
Them's are cute. Them's are cute.
That was expensive.
I bet.
You're stupid.
What are you doing? All right, my personal mechanic is back in action. He's going to do this whole thing for me in 27 seconds. All right, we're waiting on Yax to be able to swap these out for me at his work. So in the meantime...
Isn't he so cute? He's a cute kid.
Thanks, Mom.
I made him.
In the meantime... Oh, Matt already knows what's up. We are going to be installing the H&R lowering springs. I think they're H&R, yeah. And yeah, to achieve more low.
Matthew's engaged, so
Yeah,
back off.
if you watch the last video, Matt
got
got engaged. He did. All right, so this bolt back here is giving us issues because we didn't know we had to put an Allen key in the middle of it. But Matt is hard at work. After we got the end link off, the whole control arm just dropped. We took this out, swapped in the new one, added that rubber piece back to the top, and should just connect everything back up how we took it apart. All right, so we threw the all right, so we this is what I do all the time. I just edit it out. All right, so we threw we threw both sides on lickety split yurt. All right, we didn't throw the fronts on yet because that gets a little more involved, and we are actually supposed to get the rotiforms on the car today. We're gonna swap the tires onto those, but we don't want to do the front because we have to be at the tire shop at like 6 or 7, and it's already, I don't even know what time it is.
3:20.
Yeah, 3:20. So I don't know how bad that's gonna be, but yeah. Hey. But I'm actually gonna assume that it has to settle still, and that might go down a little more when I drop the front. So that's actually pretty low already. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. Zach, no. All right, y'all. All right, see you in the next clip. Peace out. These shits are gonna look so sick. YouTube. I don't. Go. I want your honest opinion. What you think of them?
They kind of look like Audi wheels already.
Really?
Yeah, these definitely look like Audi wheels.
Fuck.
Now they're gonna look good. I like them. They're
All right.
not 6 spokes, but I like them.
I don't like 6 spokes. Everybody runs
I
6
like
spokes.
six.
They're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus like
Divided.
divider.
How wide are these?
Only 8.5.
Is it you staggered or?
Nah, it's all-wheel drive.
I just got a brand new check. I just got a brand new check. I just got a brand new check. Now I'm about to go and flex. I just got a brand new check. I just got a brand new check, now I'm about to go and flex. That little bitch that used to dumb me, now she pull up, give me sex. Let me tell you about the next, she don't even stop a sec. Little skis that hit it on his side, she don't even show respect. Then we go and make a movie, turn her over, no effects. Now her boyfriend throwing subs, that little nigga ain't no threat, I'm saying.
Of course he is.
Matt is against eating the fucking booty.
I like how you're so proud of it.
If you make one, for real. You want to see that
Yourself?
cheese girl? I'm concentrating on how much her fucking throat opens up.
Cause it's you!
Bro, that shit, bro, that shit touches.
Oh yeah.
Moving real crazy. I hit the blunt, I take a shot, and now I'm finna real wavy. I do the dash, I'm going fast, and I just got the Mercedes. I hit the mall, I drop the bag, you know I do that shit daily. I feed the scene, I do it clean, I just go get it any mean. I like the dollar, like the gual, I get it.
Alright guys, taking over. Because Kylie didn't want to.
Kylie sucks at being a cameraman. I'm the MVP. I'm the fucking MVP. Who? No one gives a fuck. Back to what's important. So we're out. It's out. Giuliano has a complaint that Yax went and he hammered it. And yeah, Giuliano's fucking having a tantrum. Pull the tampon out of your ass, first of all.
Buddy, I'm trying to help him.
He's a mechanic, dude. He's a fucking mechanic. He's a mechanic. Fucking A.
Well, we have another side. Do you want to try your idea?
My fucking help, and then he's like, "No, you didn't know what you're talking about."
Do you want to try your idea? We have another side.
Yeah, you want to try it? Come on.
I don't want to ruin fucking plank. If it's you guys are animals, you're barbarians. You'll fucking smash them.
Let me see plank. Let me see plank.
This is fucking plank. This is my Wilson right here. You know what?
Yaxel has probably pulled out more fucking struts out of
At
cars.
least 6 penises. Wait, what?
6 penises?
What?
Oh yeah.
Where the fuck did I put the bolts in together? Oh, right.
Well, fucking idea, bud. We're gonna get it the fuck done now.
Let's just see what happens when I hop on the front camera. See all the fucking shit that goes down? If you really want a content, we can just move over to the fucking red GTI sitting right here. Let's go off the list. Stereotypical GTI owners, ready? Wait, actually show me your vape first.
I never denied it.
First of all, let's go back down here. Stock wheels. Fucking check.
The second when you came in, you're dissing my wheels and my springs, bro. That's when I went out the door.
You're stupid for swapping out your springs instead of just waiting to save up for bags. Because I don't want your yuppie to fit me.
How much are the springs? $200 fucking.
Yeah, but then you're gonna have to make this poor sap take him out again.
You know what's sad? You know what's sad? You know what's sad? You on springs gonna be just as low as him on bags. Yeah, Giuliano.
Do you want to try your idea before I start hammering this one too?
Listen, you're clearly a fucking animal.
Here we go.
Well, pretty soon there's gonna be big old fucking inflation fucking motherfuckers in there, so really they aren't gonna really matter anymore.
Buy your bags now, boys.
Except when I bag mine, mine's gonna be on the fucking flow.
And it's not gonna look like fucking stock ride height still.
I'm happy that I could drive on stock. I'm pretty content with that. You're calling me out on things that I wanted.
Bro, you know what it looks like? It looks like some hobo came up and fucking cut his springs in half.
What?
Yo,
what happened, bro? What happened?
Beat it.
We don't support that. We don't support that.
I fucking swear to God, that guy's so fucking hot beating the shit out of my car.
Wish you beat me like that.
I hope that gets in my fucking cock later. This cap that popped off right here.
No idea what the fuck that is.
It's the hood latch, the cords, the fucking it popped off one of my rad and fucking one of my a fan and punctured my rad.
Is it from when you took off your intercooler? Yeah. Dude, I'm fucking tired, bro. I woke up this morning, went to the gym, got here at 10, and I've been here since 10.
By the green, she reached and asked me if I'm hard. I told that's 30 in my jeans. She 21, but say I'm cute, but then she fucking with her team. I just got a brand new check, now I'm about to go and flex. That little bitch that used to dumb me, now she pull up, give me sex. Let me tell you.
I gotta hold it with the Allen. I was trying to get it out without having to do that.
How the fuck? How are you gonna get a wrench in there?
This is such a stupid design.
Yeah, awful.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yes, sir.
Oh, there you go. It's coming. It's coming. Yes, sir. Oh, shit. Let's see it. Jack in the Box.
We're so fucking stupid. Wait. You're going back out. Flip it.
What?
Are you amazed by this? The way this springs work?
No.
You were so interested.
So everybody knows that. Everybody thinks that he does all of his work by himself.
Yeah, I'm actually cutting you out of the video. It's actually, I'm gonna put my face over everything.
Well, that's actually my A3. You're the mechanic here.
Yeah, I actually just work here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he brought me out my nice clothes.
Nah, I left it in there. It's hard. It's fine. Sure.
Probably.
Sure, hard bump, but it's... harder going from the top of it. Like here. It's like, how the fuck am I gonna hammer that? Try a smaller chisel. Do we have a chisel small? Check that big.
All right, so we got all the springs on with a huge help to fucking Yaks. What are we doing? Yaks is doing some weird fucking fancy technological shit over there.
I'm just setting up the balancer. You know, this thing's from the 90s, so you gotta do what you gotta do. Half an ounce on the inside, nothing on the outside.
Well, that's not too bad.
It's not bad. Looks alright. It's not low enough.
All right. There's a little more.
It looks good. Plus,
It
it
works.
hasn't settled yet either, because you just took it off.
That's
Yeah,
true.
don't forget settling.
That's true.
That shit kind of looks tough. That shit kind of looks tough, man.
You're just gonna have to dry off these blocks. I'm not gonna hold
Yeah, I know.
You didn't need blocks. You were you made it 50
you.
yards.
Don't send one flying.
I couldn't get the arms under on like stock ride height. So.
Oof. They're really that thick. The tin can is on. He's golden. Oh, wait. It's stuck in the wheel.
Turn the wheel a couple times, dude.
Do a little dance for me. I loved it. How dare you?
All right, so the old girl is sitting pretty. Shout out to Yaks, the boy. When he makes a YouTube, we're gonna tag it in the description.
One day.
But we got it done. That shows a pain in the ass. The rear was easy as fuck. I did that side in like 12 minutes, says Matt. And then we did that side. And then these took fucking forever. But
2 hours.
yeah. Giuliano just fucking bagged his V-dub. And we just went on springs and we got the wheels on. We out here stunned on these bitches.
I got a lap dance from Cody.
Wow. Yeah, I like those a lot. Yeah, those are beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Aren't those nice?
Yeah.
Those really make a big difference. I would not have thought, but it really shows off the gray.
Yeah. Actually, I thought it was going to be weird because of the color is like...
No, it looks sharp.
Yaks is gonna do a spicy fucking burnout, or it's gonna be fucking shit, dude. We don't know yet. Good chop. Good chop. Chop. No brakes? Fuck. Oh, that thing's gonna be disgusting.
About the next, you don't even stop a sec. Little skis ahead, they on the side, you don't even show respect. Then we go and make a movie, turn it over, no effects. Now I'm over throwing some, that let nigga ain't no clap. Sitting back, I'm in the steady while I'm holding in my breath. Boom, boom, bow, bow, now you feel it in your chest.
Alright, y'all, that is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys dig the wheels. I kind of like teased it on my Instagram. I hope you guys liked them a lot. Gotta like recover from this. But we got a few things here and there that we got to do. But after this, I think I'm gonna try to get an exhaust. They don't sell axle backs for my car, so I'm probably gonna have to get a cat back. But it's probably gonna be straight piped, so yeah, it'll be sick. But that is gonna be the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you're commenting, liking, subscribing, turning on post notifications, all that shit. If you need parts for your German car, go to armmotorsports.com and use code S2TV10 for 10% off of everything on the website. And if you need dope car apparel, go to endoftheroadclothing.com. Use code S2TV for 10% off of everything on there. Peace out, guys. Have a good day. Bye.
You gotta go and get ready. You need that gadgets in my line. You know I gotta get plenty. I text OD out front, then we